I'm going to show you how you can get paid Coursera courses for free and how you can get the certificate along with it as well. So for example, here on Coursera, I want to do the introduction to philosophy here. It's from the University of Edinburgh. Just tap on this. Now on here, let's just wait for this to load. But basically what we're gonna do is that we're gonna enroll for free. You can see I'm gonna tap on enroll for free here. And you can see I'm just gonna do full course, but I won't get the certificate, right? So I can still learn, I can do all of the assignment, but I'm not gonna do the full, I'm not gonna get the certificate, sorry. Now on here, I'm just gonna tap on continue. Now, once I tap on continue, you can see I am now into the course. I'm gonna tap on start learning. Now, the thing you're going to do is that you're gonna complete the course and you're gonna do all of the assignment as well. You can see tap on I commit to completing this course and then tap on start the course. Now, the thing you want to actually do is that you want to complete all of the courses, all of the reading section, all of the materials, but don't do any of the assignments. Now, all you have to do is that, again, finish all of these, right? So finish all of these, finish lesson 2 as well. You can see finish all of these, and then you can see there's going to be reviews as well. Practice assignment and then a created assignment. Now, on this practice assignment and created assignment, don't do these first. Just do all of the materials first and actually learn. Now, when it comes time for you to do the assignment, I want you to enroll on the actual free trial for Coursera. Now, when you enroll on the free trial for Coursera, all of the course you do for free will now be get a certificate as well. Now, the reason why I'm telling you to read all of the materials first and then do the assignment later is that if you actually do the free trial first, you might not make it in time because the actual free trial is only 1 week and it might be pretty hard for you to complete all of these materials in 1 week. So just do all of the materials first, take however long you need, and then enroll on the free trial and then do the practice assignment and then get your certificate from Coursera. If you're wondering how you can get the free trial on Coursera, go to Coursera here, and then on Coursera, just go to any one of these random courses, tap on enroll for free, and then if I tap on enroll for free here, I can tap on start free trial, and then on here, let's just wait for this. Now free trial, just put in all of your payment methods here, start your free trial, and you won't be charged today, so you'll get it for free.